Assalamu alaikum. This is Dr. Tubanam from Karachi, Pakistan, and today I am going to give you a short tutorial on how to enter data in SPSS. When you open your SPSS file window software, you will see two windows, which is showing on screen currently. This is variable view and this is data view. Okay, and then we'll start from variable view. In variable view, you have to write down the variables of your research age. For example, you'll enter gender, you'll enter marital status. Okay, and one thing that needs to be emphasized is that you cannot give a space in between the words while you are in variable view. You have to write down marital status without giving a space, otherwise the software will not accept it. All right, and now I am going to tell you now that you are seeing that it's written in type that it is numeric variable. Age is a quantitative variable, so that's fine, but gender is a qualitative variable, so we have to change it from numeric to, you'll click on this and then you'll go into this and you have to select a string, because in SPSS you will select a string in place of qualitative or categorical data, and you'll click OK. So it will change here, and then similar we'll do with numerics to marital status is a qualitative variable, so we will select a string and then we will click OK. And one more thing, to simplify the data entry, you can give values. Instead of writing male in gender or female, we can give them values and we will just write down the number. For example, 1. We can denote male gender as 1, and we will go and add this. Okay, no, you have to write down 2 as female, and then you'll add it and then you'll click OK. So when you'll write down, like, you can also do this with marital status. Instead of writing single, married or divorced, you can just go here and you can label 1 as single, and you'll go and click add, and then you'll write down in value 2 as married, and then you'll add, and you can write down, you can denote separated or divorced as 3, and then you'll denote it, add, and then you'll click OK. So now when you will go into your data views to enter data, for example, there you have your first sample, age is 21, and then gender is female. So we have done the denotion that we have denoted male as 1 and female as 2. So in this sample there is, the first one is female, so I will write down here 2, and then marital status is single, so I'll write down here as 1, and then you will enter. Just for the sake of tutorial, we have just taken 3 variables, but you can just get the idea, and you can go about how whatever number of variables you will be having. And for example, the case 2 is 35 years age and gender is male, so we will write down 1, and the person has got divorced, so we will write as number 3 in marital status, and then we'll go, and the third case is 22 years, and then gender is male and married, and what we have done in denotion, that we have denoted married as number 2, so we'll just write down 2. That's all for today, but okay, one thing, that in next video we will see that how we will analyze the data. But I will tell you how to save the file. We will save as whatever name you want to put it. You can put it and then save, and you'll click save, and you will just close it. You will just close the files, and you will see that there is a file of output. Whenever you enter data, you will automatically get a file of output, and you have to keep the file. So you have to save it, because when in next video I'll continue with how to analyze data, the results of analysis of data will come in this file. So I'm just putting it save the file along with the data file, save output file along with the data file. Thank you for today. Take care. Allah Hafiz.